So one of the final things that I need to change are the clip-ons. I got some Renthal clip-ons that I'm gonna fit on it with some Renthal grips. The reason why you would want to change them is because you can adjust them a little bit. Plus, if you fall down, you don't need to change the whole clip-on, you just change the tube, which are relatively cheap. So what I need to do now is take off the top triple tree, take off the clip-ons, and put the new ones on. Okay, so I already loosened this nut on these Allen bolts. Now I'll put these clips on without tightening anything. This is torqued to 27 Newton meters. Okay, so the beauty of these Renthal clip-ons is that they already have the notches that you can use to position it the same way on either side. Plus, on this part over here, you can see there are notches here as well. I actually don't really need this part here because I'm not going to use the horn or turn signals, and I don't have any lights, but it's actually a bigger hassle to take it off than to keep it, so I'll just keep it on. The other thing is they each have a little notch over here so that when you screw it onto the handlebar it doesn't twist. Now I need to find that place for it and drill a hole. Now that I've drilled the holes here and here, these will go in with their notches. So now we got the clip-ons on with new grips. However, I'll need to safety wire these grips. You can see that they already have the notches here for the wires. Other than that, I can adjust it a little later and then I'll torque it to spec. So the final touch is the double bubble screen that I have for the bike. It's taller than the one that was standard. So I'm finally done. The screen is on. And now basically I'm ready to go out and test it on the track.